Alright, got my Motorola Z3 and I bought a memory card for it that I want to put in, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It takes a micro SD card. The tool that you'll need to get the card holder out is inside your box that the phone came in. So let's go ahead and take that out. And then inside this, you'll find this little tool. That pin will be what we need in order to pop out the slot that holds the card. I shut the phone off, got the micro SD card out of the case, and got the pin extractor out of the holder. So let's go ahead and open up where the card goes in at. On the top, I don't know if I can actually see this. There's a little hole just right there. Yeah, there you can see it. You want to stick that pin into that hole and then pop it out. Make sure the phone is off before you do this, and then just push down in there until it pops up, and then you can grab onto it, pull it out, and that's where your SD card goes. So put the SD card in there. Looks like it goes in like that. There we go. Alright, looks like it has a little bit of a tight fit so that it doesn't fall out. And then just put it back in the way it came out, and then you should be good to power on your phone. Alright, it's back in there all the way. Alright, now it's booted up, and it says this has a Samsung SD card. Put in my pin. And now I'm going to swipe down, and should be good to go. Yep, it's already got stuff. I'm going to go ahead and format it myself. And I'm going to format right there. I'll move it later. Alright, done. Okay. Ready to start using.